Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise on the beat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ogun wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlọ́ ní.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babi Wenje. And if today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hours I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of video there that can help your spiritual life. And if you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. In today's video, I want to share with you how to use natural salt and lime. You understand? If you always complain about maybe hardship, or you complain about a financial problem, negative energy, you understand, you know this, you can easily contact this through shaking, when you always like to shake or know people, right? And some people, they can do something on their hand in order to punish you. They can write something that's a one powerful something that when they write it on their palm and they use it to shake you, believe me, you are going to contact it. Are you with me? It's not disease, but negative energy, bad luck. Such person will be complaining about maybe whenever they place their hand on something, they will never succeed. Or if you have an abandoned project, and sometimes you may get money, you don't know how you spend the money. You understand? So today, I want to share with you a simple assignment you can be doing once in a month to remove every negative energy in your hands. You understand? So what you need is one lime juice, right? The one you extract by yourself. You can buy like maybe 5 pieces of lime if you want to use it alone, but if you want to share with your family, you can buy more than that. You understand? You cut this lime into two, and you squeeze it, collect the water. You understand? The juice. Then add half a teaspoon, add it to it and mix it together. So in the night, if you want to sleep, you take this mixture, you use it to wash your hand. Do not use water to rinse it. You understand? And do not allow water to touch the lime juice. So after that, you are going to sleep. You sleep like that. When you wake up in the morning, before you say a single word to anyone, get water and use it to rinse your 2 arms before anything. You understand? So you are going to do that continuously for 3 days. I think you understand me. Even if you are in your period, you understand, as a woman, you can also do it. But after you apply this, you use it to wash your hand. Do not stay away from daddy or stay away from mommy. I think you understand what I'm saying. By the grace of Almighty God, if you do it for 3 days continuously, that month you surely share me a good testimony. By the grace of Almighty God, you will use it to wash every negative energy in your life. You understand? And whenever you use it, you understand? I want you to notice yourself. That your hand, that you are expecting something from someone maybe a long time ago. After you apply this simple assignment, believe me, by the grace of Almighty God, you surely share me a good testimony. It's very simple and very, very effective, only if you follow my instruction. So that is how to do it, and that is how to use it. Please, if you love this video, help me to like this video. As you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much. Orúkọ mi náà ni Dr. Mutiu Ọlátíbóyè tí ayé mọ̀ sí Wẹ́ńjẹ́. Lórí ètò yìí gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àṣírí àtegbò láwọn nǹkan kéékèèké. Àwọn nǹkan tí a bára sọ ní òní bí a ṣe ń lo ọsàn àti iyọ̀ ìsebẹ̀ tí a máa fi ń tọ́jú ara wa, tá a máa fi mú ọwọ́ burúkú kúrò ní ọwọ́, pàápàá jùlọ ẹni tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti fi ọwọ́ burúkú ṣéèkì yín, tẹ́ wá sọ pé gbogbo ìgbà tẹ́ bá dáwọ́ lé nǹkan náà ò yọrí sí ire. Gbogbo ìgbà tẹ́ bá ti gbé ọwọ́ lé nǹkan, bóyá ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ bísínẹ́sì kan, nǹkan náà ò yọrí sí ire. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbìyànjú iṣẹ́ yìí ní alẹ́ ká tó sùn. Ní alẹ́ ká tó sùn. Ọjọ́ tá a bá dẹ̀ ti lò ó, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣọ́ra fún dádì tàbí ká ṣọ́ra fún mọ́mì. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé? Kódà kóbìnrin wà nínú nǹkan oṣù, ó lè lò ó. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé? So ẹ jẹ́ ká wá ọsàn wẹ́wẹ́ bíi 5. Tó bá pàà nìkan la fẹ́ lò, ẹ jẹ́ ká wá 5. Bẹ́ẹ̀ tó tá a bá jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, a lè wá jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé? Ẹ jẹ́ ká fún ká yọ kóró ẹ̀ kúrò. Ẹ jẹ́ ká bu iyọ̀ ìsebẹ̀ díẹ̀ sí, ẹ jẹ́ ká pò pọ̀. Tá a bá ti pò pọ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká fi fọ́ ọwọ́ wa méjèèjì ní alẹ́ ká tó sùn, ká fi fọ̀ dáadáa. Ẹ wá jẹ́ ká lọ sùn. Kì í ṣe pé a máa fi fọ̀ sínú ẹ̀. Èyí tá a bá lè fi pa ọwọ́, ẹ jẹ́ ká bù. A wá fi sílẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sùn. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé? Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sùn. Tá a bá ti wá sùn, tó bá ti wá di ọjọ́ kejì ká tó sọ̀rọ̀ sí yàn, ẹ jẹ́ ká mú omi ká fi ṣàn, ká tó ṣe anything ká fomi ṣàn. Tó bá di ọjọ́ kejì ká tó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀, ọjọ́ kẹta ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. A wá sí bẹ́ẹ̀ léra fọjọ́ mẹ́ta bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, after 3 days tá a bá lò bẹ́ẹ̀, nǹkan ayọ̀ láàrí. Ìwọ tó yẹ pé o ti ń retí bóyá bíi dọ́kúmẹ́ǹtì kan tàbí òun retí kinní kan tí ò tí ì rí èsì lórí nǹkan yẹn, gbìyànjú iṣẹ́ yìí. Ó kéré, lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ fi àṣẹ èsì fún yín lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò jù báyìí lọ. Èmi náà lọmọ yín, àbúrò yín, olólùfẹ́ yín, Dr. Mutiu Ọlátíbóyè táyé mọ̀ sí Wẹ́ńjẹ́. Ẹ̀rí tó bá dìgbà míì, á tún mú ọ̀rọ̀ mi tó tún yàtọ̀ sí eléyìí wá. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sórí ètò kí lè kó fún wa ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní lórí àwọn nǹkan míì tá a ṣe, èyí tá a ṣe, torí pé èyí tí a ṣe ó pọ̀ ju èyí tí a ti ṣe lọ. Tó ó dàbọ̀.
Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórin bá bọ́ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìgbọ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrò ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. La fi ń ṣe tiwa, ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé, èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́, ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta ò rí. Ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀. À ń bẹ̀ ọ́, à ń bẹ̀ ọ́, à ń bẹ̀ ọ́.